Hey travelers, picture this. You just landed in paradise. Beach vibes, mountain trails, or that buzzing city you've always dreamed of. But as you're waiting at the baggage carousel, your bag never shows. Suddenly, your perfect vacation takes a hard left. Truth is, over 25 million bags are lost or mishandled every year. That's a lot of stress and a lot of ruined plans. But don't worry. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 smartest, most practical ways to keep your luggage safe when you check it in. Each of these tips can make a huge difference, and tip number 1 is something even frequent flyers often miss. So if you're ready to travel with peace of mind and keep your luggage safe, stick around. This could be the difference between a dream vacation and a total disaster. All right, let's get right into it. Here's how you beat the odds and keep your luggage safe. Ready to travel smarter? Let's go. Tip 10. Label inside and out. We start with something incredibly simple but often overlooked. Label your bag properly. Most people slap a tag on the handle and call it a day. But those tags, they fall off all the time. Conveyor belts, rough baggage handlers, bad weather, your info can vanish in seconds. So here's the move. Put your contact details inside the bag too. Write your name, phone number, and destination address on paper, seal it in a plastic bag or sleeve, and tuck it right on top of your packed clothes. That way, if your bag goes rogue, someone can open it and get it back to you. This internal ID acts like a backup ID tag that stays with your belongings no matter what happens to the outside. Even if the suitcase ends up in a different country, staff can identify you and reroute it more quickly. Tip 9. Don't overpack. Next, don't overpack. I know it's tempting to bring just one more outfit or an extra pair of shoes, but overstuffed bags are trouble. Why? Bags that are bursting at the seams are way more likely to pop open during transit. Zippers can give out, seams can tear, and your belongings could end up scattered on an airport floor. Plus, a stuffed bag may raise red flags with airport security, and if they open it, they probably won't repack it with the same care. Save yourself the headache. Pack light, use compression bags, and leave space for souvenirs. A well-packed bag not only protects your items but also helps reduce delays at security checks. It makes your luggage easier to manage, more balanced to carry, and far less likely to suffer damage during handling. Tip 8. Choose a hardshell suitcase. Tip number 8. Invest in a hardshell suitcase. Soft cases might be cheaper and easier to store, but they offer almost zero protection. Think about what your bag goes through. Tossed, stacked, dropped, rained on. A soft case won't cut it. A hard shell? That's your armor. It protects your gear from getting crushed or soaked, and it's harder for someone to slash open if theft is a concern. Bonus points if it comes with built-in locks. Plus, many modern hardshell cases are surprisingly lightweight and come with features like 360-degree spinner wheels and expandable sections. You're not just buying durability, you're upgrading your entire travel experience. Tip 7. Use TSA-approved locks. Speaking of locks, tip number 7 is to use a TSA-approved lock. This isn't just about security. Sure, a lock keeps thieves from sneaking a look, but it also prevents your bag from popping open mid-transit. And with a TSA-approved lock, security agents can open your bag without breaking the lock if they need to inspect it. Just make sure you remember your combination or store it in your phone. You don't want to be the one stuck at the hotel unable to open their own suitcase. Also, having a visible TSA-approved lock can deter opportunistic theft, as it signals that your luggage is protected. And in busy travel hubs where inspections are frequent, using approved locks avoids unnecessary delays or damage to your bag. Tip 6. Secure the zippers. Tip 6 is one many people miss. Secure your zippers. Even with a lock, zippers can be a weak spot. All it takes is a hard drop and boom! Open bag, scattered clothes. A cheap and easy fix? Use zip ties or tamper-evident seals. Not only do they reinforce your zippers, but they also show you if anyone's tried to open your bag. Use bright-colored ties so airport security can spot and snip them easily without damaging your luggage. This extra layer of security helps discourage casual tampering, especially during layovers or crowded baggage claims. Plus, if you're traveling to multiple destinations, it's an easy way to monitor your bag's integrity between flights. And let's be honest, replacing a zip tie is a lot cheaper than dealing with a busted zipper or stolen item. Tip 5. Use a smart luggage tracker. Now let's bring in the tech. Tip 5. Use a smart luggage tracker. These little gadgets are lifesavers. Slip a Bluetooth or GPS tracker into your bag, and if it goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is. Whether it's still on the plane, in the wrong terminal, or chilling in the airport cafe, brands like Apple AirTag, Tile, or GPS trackers with international coverage work best. Trust me, when your bag goes missing, real-time location beats waiting in line at the baggage office. Plus, some apps even alert you the moment your luggage leaves a designated area, so you can act fast if someone grabs the wrong bag. In high-traffic airports, that kind of instant notification can make a huge difference. It also gives you peace of mind during long layovers or tight connections, because you'll always know your bag made it, even before you reach the carousel. Tip 4. Photograph your luggage. Tip 4 is simple but powerful. Take photos of your luggage. Before you check it, snap a few pics from different angles. Make sure to capture details like color, brand, tags, or stickers. Even better? Take photos of what's inside, especially if you're carrying valuable or essential items. And don't forget to back them up to the cloud. That way, if your phone goes missing too, you're still covered. If your bag is lost or damaged, those pictures are your best evidence when filing a claim. Photos also help airline staff identify your bag faster if it's misplaced. Vague descriptions like black suitcase won't cut it, but a photo shows exactly what to look for. And if you're filing an insurance claim, photographic proof can speed up the reimbursement process significantly. Tip 3. Keep your claim ticket safe. Tip 3 might be tiny, but it's huge. Don't lose your baggage claim ticket. That little slip is the only proof that your bag belongs to you. If your luggage disappears and you can't show the tag, your odds of getting it back drop fast. As soon as you get it, snap a photo. Keep a digital copy backed up. You never know when you'll need it, and trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than the other way around. In many cases, airlines won't even begin searching for your luggage without that claim number. It's essentially your bag's ID tag in their system. Keep it somewhere secure, like tucked into your passport or stored in your travel wallet, so you don't risk losing it in the chaos of airport travel. Tip 2. Buy travel insurance. Tip 2 is a game changer. Get travel insurance that covers lost luggage. Losing your stuff isn't just annoying, it's expensive. Imagine having to replace clothes, toiletries, and electronics in a foreign country. Good insurance will cover your lost or delayed luggage and may even reimburse you for emergency purchases while you wait. But make sure to read the fine print. Not all policies offer the same protection. It's not just an extra cost. It's peace of mind. Look for policies that specifically mention baggage delay and loss, and take note of the reimbursement limits. Some plans will also cover stolen items, not just those lost by the airline. And if you're carrying anything valuable, consider itemizing those on the policy to ensure full coverage. Tip 1. Use airline baggage tracking apps. Finally, tip number 1, the most underrated travel hack, use your airline's baggage tracking app. Many airlines now offer tracking tools through their mobile apps. You can see when your bag is loaded, transferred, or delivered to the carousel. No more guessing games. If something goes wrong, you'll have accurate info to give staff, which speeds up recovery. Just activate it when you check in, and you'll be way ahead of the curve. In addition to peace of mind, this feature can save you valuable time, especially during tight connections or long-haul flights. Some apps even send real-time push notifications, so you'll know instantly if your bag didn't make the flight. Frequent travelers rely on this tool to avoid unnecessary stress and to file claims or reroutes faster. It's a small tech advantage that makes a huge difference, especially in unfamiliar airports or busy travel seasons. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it. 10 solid, no-nonsense tips to make sure your checked luggage gets where it needs to go. Quick recap. Label your bag inside and out. If the outer tag is lost, an interior label ensures airline staff can still identify and return your bag. Hey, don't overpack. Overstuffed bags are more likely to burst open or be flagged for inspection, increasing the risk of delays or damage. Use a hardshell suitcase. A sturdy exterior helps protect your belongings from impact and rough handling during transit. Lock it with TSA-approved locks. These locks deter tampering while allowing security staff to inspect your bag without breaking it open. And secure your zippers. Using zipper clips or locking mechanisms prevents your bag from accidentally opening mid-flight. Use a smart tracker. GPS or Bluetooth trackers let you locate your bag instantly if it goes missing or is sent to the wrong destination. Photograph your bag and contents. Visual proof helps you describe your luggage and claims and proves what was inside if compensation is needed. Save your baggage claim ticket. This small slip is your key to tracking and reclaiming your bag if anything goes wrong. And get travel insurance. Coverage for lost, stolen, or delayed baggage can give you peace of mind and reimburse unexpected costs. Use your airline's tracking tools. These apps give real-time updates so you're never left guessing where your bag is. Now the only thing left to ask is, how many of these are you already doing? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, if you found even one of these tips helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more game-changing travel hacks and insider tips. You don't want to miss what's coming next. But wait, if you've ever had a luggage nightmare, I want to hear your story. Drop it in the comments. Your experience could help someone else avoid the same disaster. Oh, and if you're ready to level up your travel game even more, check out my next video on new TSA carry-on restrictions 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss. Safe travels.